Hello everyone, welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching World of Sensors using Arduino UNO and the sensor shield which comes along with Seed Studios sensor kit, Grove kit. Fantastic. So in this lesson, let's move on. It's a pretty simple stuff. I'm going to show you a sensor called vibration motor. So basically it's a tiny little motor. It looks like a microphone, as you can see just above me. This picture looks exactly like a microphone, so don't get confused. If you take it backside and see, it's written vibration motor. So it's a unique sensor, guys. It's basically a motor inside. So this is basically a mini vibration motor which is suitable as a non-audible indicator. Non-audible indicator means you don't have to use a buzzer or a speaker or any kind of sound device if you want to detect some signal through just a silent vibration, same like your cell phone, right? When the input is high, the motor will vibrate just like your cell phone or on a silent mode. So to make it vibrate, it is pretty easy to turn on a LED or a relay circuit or any other circuit, or you can do some other kind of detection projects using the vibration triggers. So now what we need to do, just take out this particular sensor and connect it to D2 of your shield. So let me show you the sensor in a minute. This is the exact sensor I'm using. So as you can see, it looks like a microphone, right? So if you turn it back, it's written here vibration motor. So it's written vibration motor, if you can see it. So hook it up to D2 digital port of your expansion shield. All right, once you hook up your expansion shield and then what we need to do, obviously we need to drive this and see what happens. Let me just leave it as it is because it's going to vibrate as soon as we upload the code. So let me move on to my GitHub. If you go to my GitHub account, you need to go to this section, Arduino sensor projects. Within this, if you can see, I think it's lesson number 29, vibration motor. Is just about 14 lines of code. It's as simple as that. We can either copy directly from here, or best is to go to raw. Okay, go to raw, control A, control C, and then come back to Arduino IDE, and this is the code. You need to paste it here and then go to tools, go to board, go to Arduino AVR board, select UNO, and then go to tools again, go to port, select COM6. Yours might be different, and then click the upload here. This is the arrow mark to upload the code. I will upload the sketch. The code is getting uploaded. It's going to vibrate in a second. Uploading. Wow, can you hear the vibration? Let me just shift my camera. Wow, can you see that, guys? Can you see the vibration? Can you see the vibration of the motor? See, it's pretty loud as well, the vibration, but it's amazing. The vibration seems to be damn good. I'm just keeping my microphone close to so that you can hear the sound. Great, wonderful. You can feel the vibration. If you put it in your hand, you can actually feel the vibration. Anyways, alright guys, so it's a pretty interesting project. Again, one more interesting project. Let me stop this vibration. Let me remove the sensor so that it doesn't disturb me while talking to you guys. Anyway, so come out with a plan, come out with your idea, how you want to use the vibration motor sensor, and what are your thoughts. Do get back to me. We can build a project together. I can help you out. I will see you soon in the next lesson. Goodbye.